Now Station Commander Scott Kelly has moved in to put his hand on the latch as teams now work to open the hatch into the newest module of the International Space Station, the pressurized multi-purpose module. .5:17 p.m. Houston time, the hatch is opened into the permanent multi-purpose module, the final pressurized module of the U.S. section of the International Space Station.
Houston for PMM, we're showing us 3-step 1.5. Can you do 1.6?
That's in work, and we got a great picture of you on the video. Looks like a wonderful new module.
Where are you going, Stan? It's good to have the Leonardo up here and attached.
And now the rest of the shuttle and station crew members joining their commanders inside the PMM. The hatch opened at 5:17 p.m. Central Time. Station Commander Scott Kelly was closest to the hatch and was the first one across. And then we saw the two commanders shaking hands in the hatchway. And now all of their crewmates are joining them. This module is 21 feet long and 15 feet in diameter, it adds almost 2,500 cubic feet of pressurized volume to the station that can be used for both stowage and science. It's arrived here carrying 14 racks. 6 of them are resupply stowage platforms. There are 5 resupply stowage racks, 2 integrated stowage platforms, and an express rack number 8, which will be installed in the U.S. laboratory. The module has been modified to be able to provide power, data, cooling, water, and video interfaces so that science operations can be conducted inside it, as well as it can be used for a stowage area. For its delivery to the space station, it's carrying a common cabin air assembly heat exchanger, plus a cabin inlet fan for the temperature and humidity control system, a pump package assembly for the thermal control system, a water processor assembly, water storage tank and wastewater tank, and also the first humanoid robot in space, Robonaut 2, which is packed away in one of those boxes inside the PMM. The original plan is that the Robonaut would not be unpacked for some months, but the additional day that's been added to this flight was added primarily to allow more time for outfitting of the PMM, and to some extent that means more time to unpack things that are stored in here and to get the packing materials out of those boxes and have it stowed away in the H2 transfer vehicle for disposal. And by adding an extra day of the docked shuttle mission, that adds an extra 6 sets of hands to help perform those tasks. The permanent multi-purpose module began its life in space as the multi-purpose logistics module, named Leonardo, and has flown 7 times to the station in the past. Each of those its return to Earth. It's now been modified for permanent attachment to the station. Modifications that include improved MMOD shielding.
Airlock Houston on 2 with a couple of items for EVA tool config.
Q standby 1.
Yeah, we can wait. Can take it after DPC 2 if you'd like.